Hello friend, in this tutorial we are going to learn how to set up penetration testing lab at your home using Docker. So first of all you need to install Docker inside your system. I have already installed Docker inside this Kali Linux machine. If you don't know how to set up Kali Linux Docker or Docker inside the Kali Linux, you can watch my video. I will give the link in the I button. Okay. After installing Docker, you need to pull the image for penetration testing image, or you can go to the GitHub. Okay, so I am going to the GitHub and typing git clone https github.com github.com. After that I will type slash eyst sen and slash pentest lab.git. So this is the link you have to type and this will download the software. So once you see here pentest lab software, the folder is here. You go inside that folder, cd pentest lab, run ls command. You will find there pentest lab.sh, that is the shell script. If you want to run that script, you can simply type that one and you can take the help dash help. Okay, and it will tell you about, okay, this software can run so many projects at a time. It means you can see multiple Docker file, like you can run dbwa, which is damn vulnerable web application tool. You can use multi-die, which is also a vulnerable application. So you can see WebGoat, JuiceSoft, vulnerable WordPress, Security Ninjas, Ultramanual, vulnerable graphical queue. So you can see that a lot of tools are available inside this one. Okay. So if you want to see the list, you can see, you can run this command pentest lab.sh list, like pentest lab.sh dash list. This will list all the application. If you want to see the status, you simply type status here. Okay, and if you want to see the status of any particular, you can see the status of particular, like status of info about BWF. Okay, info about BWF. Okay, so it will showing that, okay, this has been downloaded from this website. If you want to start someone, okay, if you want to start, you have to run this command. First this start BWF and then start public BWF. Okay, so if you make it start BWF, then the start project and make it publicly available to anyone with network connectivity to the machine. Okay, so let's run these two command /pentest lab.sh, then start BWF. Okay, and the app has been started and now it will be found locally on this IP. You can see 127.5.0.1. so it's pulling the image here. You just wait and watch. And done. Now for installation, it's saying that you have to go run install first to use BWF. So it's installing this one. Open this link. So open link, and you can see this is the BWF, that is known as extremely buggy web application. Means by default there is a bug. So click here on this button and you can see BWF has been installed successfully. Okay, now the buggy web has been installed successfully. Now if you type the IP address which has been mentioned in the code, this is the IP address. Okay, you can simply type this IP address and you can see what is happening. You can see BWF is running now and it's asking you to log in. By default, the default login name is B and the password is default password is bug. So here login name B and the password is bug. So make security level very low. You can make it medium and high. So if low security level, maximum attack is possible. Okay, so login and see, this is the portal. And from here you can see HTML injection, LDAP SQL injection. Okay, all these are possible. All these vulnerabilities are possible. So if you want to read about this, you can see here BW app, a buggy web application, is a free and open source deliberately insecure web application. Deliberately web insecure, जानबूझकर ऐसा रखा गया. Okay, it helps secure in system. ठीक है, इट हेल्प सिक्योरिटी इंथुसियास्ट डेवलपर्स एंड स्टूडेंट टू डिस्कवर एंड प्रिवेंट वेब वल्नरेबिलिटीज. मतलब स्टूडेंट लोगों को मदद करता है, जो भी सिक्योरिटी में काम करते हैं उनको मदद करता है, पेनिट्रेशन टेस्टिंग इंजीनियर को मदद करता है फाइंड आउट द वल्नरेबिलिटीज, इस प्रोसेस को फाइंड आउट करने के लिए. सो इस तरह से आप देख सकते हो और ये कैसे काम करता है. ये मैंने एक एप्लीकेशन को शो किया. नाउ यू कैन रन मल्टीपल एप्लीकेशन हियर लाइक दैट. So it's not only this one, you have this one also. Like you can run mutility. Okay, you can run mutility, you can run WebGoat, you can run JuiceSoap, you can run vulnerable WordPress also. Okay, so you have multiple application to run. You can run as much as possible. So I have just shown you one out of this. So here total 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So out of these 9 I have just shown you first one example, as third one. Okay, only one. But if you want to run other, you can also run others like DBWA. So if you want to run DBWA, you can run that one also. Let me try to stop this. Okay, so stopping BWA. Okay, and now I'm starting DBWA. DBWA, that is damn vulnerable web application. So just wait. And done. Installation done. By default, username is admin. You can notice here, and the password is password. Okay, if you want to open that website, you can just simply click on that link. Open link. Remember the username, password, admin, and password is password. So by default, username is admin and password is password. You can simply click on login and done. You are logging to the damn vulnerable web application. Okay, you can see it. You are logging to this application. This is also a vulnerable web application. It is also used for penetration testing, bug bounty, finding the bugs, testing your skills on a vulnerable web application. Okay, so in this way you can run multiple application on your system. If you want to stop this, you can simply stop it in similar way. Dash stop. Now in this way you can run multiple application on your system. Like you can run Mutility, BW app, WebGoat, JuiceSoap, Vulnerable WordPress, Security Ninjas, Altoro Mutual, which is a custom made from GitHub. Okay, Vulnerable GraphQL. So you can run all of this using the same trick. Okay, so thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, you can ask me through the comment section. For penetration testing, you need all these tools. And if you want to learn penetration testing, you can join my class. The online training is started. Thank you for watching.